And here comes our first crew of the day, getting ready to try and land her on the dock. Welcome back, guys, to the greatest show on earth, and that is the Miami Boat Ramps channel. I'm your host, Broncos Guru, in collaboration with our boy Wavy Boats, and it's another Wavy Guru Productions back at the ramp. And today we are obviously visiting Point Marina. My man looks a little confused with the lines up front, trying to get it worked out. Cap is taking the slow roll approach in toward the dock. Let's see how he fares. And so far the line looks good. Coming in, gonna line it up right beside the dock. Gotta get his buddy off the lines. Here we go, steps it off. And they look pretty good. And Cap's excited. But the excitement quickly turns here as our guys in front of him are struggling to get off the ramp. I thought he had it on the last pull, but he did not. They're gonna have to back down again and try one more time. I mean, the truck kind of cleared the hump, but still started spinning tires. So we got one guy in the bed of the truck. We got the ladies to the left trying to give him a little assist as well. At least emotional support. And we got Cap sitting on the boat trying to rock the boat over, I guess. It's not sitting right on the trailer for some reason. So you can see now he's grabbed the pole trying to pull it over. Here we go, where they're going to go again for another pull-out attempt. And tires are spinning. We're stuck again. So our crew's walking up from the boat behind. Maybe they can jump in here and give a hand as well. Our guy that's in the boat probably could step up and give a hand also. And yes, our Cap from the other boat. Oh, he almost falls. Oh. And our guy's got a little plumber action going on, so we'll do a little selfless plug for our Instagram. Make sure to follow us over on Instagram at Miami Boat Ramps, and follow us on Facebook as well. Miami Boat Ramps there also. So he's given the assist. The ladies to the left are like, oh man. Once again, the plumber action I think got him. But our guy's gonna move here. And you can just hear those tires spinning away. And one of the ladies gonna jump in on the action as well. Give a little bumper jump. And our crew's not getting very far. And somebody's backed a trailer up right in front of them as well. So I'm assuming this guy's going to try and give him a pull-out, maybe? Yeah, he's looking for some kind of lines, I'm assuming, out of the boat. And I'm guessing the guy in front of us is going to try and give him the tow out. So my man hands the lines to the guy who is driving the truck in front of him. Backing up a little bit, taking a little pressure off. Confused with him backing up like this, is he going to give it another running attempt? I've lost the guy. I lost the guy who had the line. So our guy's pulling forward again. It looks like they're giving it one more shot, but the trailer's in front of him. He can't really go anywhere. And here we go. Our guy's going back into action now. Going to tie this line up off the front of the truck. Maybe not. Lots of confusion going on here. Too many people trying to jump in on this one, including myself maybe even, on seeing what's happening. Is this guy going to move the truck now? I didn't see the line get tied, so I don't think he's going for the pullout yet. I can't. It's tough from this angle, though, guys. No, we attempted it one more time on our own. And now we're going to back the trailer up again, and probably should have just done this the first time. So our guy's down here with that line now. It looks like he's going to try and tie off to the back of the trailer. And let's see if they can get the tow out. Throw a couple more people in the bed of the truck this time as well. And there we go. This crew's going to get it done. And they're on their way out of here.
Oh, that truck ain't no four-wheel drive. What a shame.
So now many of you guys heard our camera guy, Rick, in that last clip. And we get asked this one all the time. BG, are you down at the ramp? No, I am not always down at the ramp. In fact, most of the time, we've got camera crews at these ramps who film this stuff. So the reactionary comments you're getting from me, even like right now as we're about to see this clip here, it's because this is the first time I've watched this clip. Somebody else has edited this video, I get the edits, and then I come through and watch with you guys and kind of talk through what's going on and what we see happening. Kind of like here, our guy's taking the slow roll approach to the dock. We got Wifey in the bow, lines on the ready, a couple fenders out. They look good. She goes for the easy toss, misses, nails it the second time. Kind of at a funky angle, leg under the bow rail. I'm not sure how she's going to play this one from here because she's just barely on the edge of the pole. And there she goes, drops it down a little bit. That's going to help. So Cap leaves the helm, comes over the windshield. Wifey goes for the leap onto the dock, but somehow has the line tangled up around the bow rail. And here we go, goes to the stern line. Going to start pulling it in. Cap takes the bow line off, and of course now the bow's going to swing out as she kicks the stern line in. She's got to run back, handle the lines like a pro, and tosses the sandals up because it's probably hot on the dock. But they've got it set up, and she'll be able to get this one pulled in from here. And our crew making their approach on the dock. Wifey getting the fenders out, getting this crew on the ready. Now we've got the slow roll approach in effect here, probably slower than most people we've seen all day. And there's nothing wrong with that. Approach the dock at the comfortable pace for you, but just remember, don't approach it any faster than you're willing to hit it. It actually has a good angle today. So our crew, lines on the ready, fenders on the ready. Nice angle and approach. And man, we might see somebody just get it done today. Wifey steps off with the lines. Stern line, mid-cleat. Done with grace. And our crew's going to get it put up. And speaking of getting it put up and getting out of here, we're going to get out of here as well. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Miami Boat Ramps. If you did, please check out our other content. We have Wavy Boats, who does a bunch of great things down at Haulover Inlet. My channel, Broncos Guru, do some great comedy boating videos there as well. And of course, we've got Boats versus Haulover, where man and machine take on Mother Nature down at Haulover Inlet. And if you guys haven't already, go ahead and drop an anchor on the subscribe button here.